What do you do on a day when your kids are at school and you don't have to work? Well, I grind meat. I got a little bit of feedback from one of my friends who did the stir fry recipe that I posted last week. It's awesome and you should give it a go. However, there were a couple things that she noticed that would make it a little bit easier for her. I changed some things in the description below the recipe. I actually forgot to tag the original recipe, so I also added that as well. It's a phenomenal recipe that I really hope that you try. So thanks so much for the grace. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Junie the Orange Huntress and welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you how I grind up some venison. I've got my handy dandy grinder here and we're gonna grind up maybe about 30 pounds or something like that today. I'm gonna pop it in some good old 1 pound freezer bags and stash it away in my freezer for the year. Let's get started. Here it is. I put the medium size in here. I'll do that one first and then I'll do the finer grind. So this one's good for like chilies and stuff. Chili. But they suggest if you're gonna be making burgers that you use more of a fine grind. So do this one and then finer grind. This is where the meat goes, and this is the tool you use to push the meat through the hole to get browned. Be sure to wash your meat in cold water first before you start cutting it up. Remove any silver skin or fat. That way it's not gonna clog up the machine. Still got some good meat on it, right? So we've got our piece here, but it's got meat on. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold one end and you're gonna take your knife at an angle and just slide it back and forward to get it off. And there you go. Now you can cut it up into some smaller chunks so it'll fit into your grinder. Ready to go. Oh, it looks so nice. Here comes the grind. We're aiming for 1 pound packages, so I've got just over a pound here and just under a pound here, so I'm gonna add some to that one. We got that in the sink, we got that. That's all the scraps, that's gross. Don't disregard that. And then we got 2 more packages. Goodness me. That's what we got going on in our kitchen today. I like it. You should like it too. So much fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions about butchering meat, venison, I'd love to help you with that. So you can leave a comment in the comment section. You can tag me in a post or something if you think I should try a certain recipe. Like it if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll catch ya next Wednesday. And this is Mr. Oliver, living his best life.